Are you just searching YouTube every day, looking at videos how to make money and the whole 9 yards and get them and whatever not? Is that what you're doing every day? How did you get to my video? Today, we're going to talk about the real task of being an entrepreneur. That's what we're going to be talking about today. But before we hop into that, guys, thank you for watching my video thus far. This is Khamoya Gordon from KhamoyaGordon.com. And real quick, if you haven't subscribed to my channel just yet, my YouTube channel, make sure you do that. It makes no sense you just watch my video and not subscribe, right? Because I drop golden nuggets every day. Every day I'm on here. Every day. Also, hit the bell so you're notified as soon as I post, so you can hop on in and get some golden nuggets from what I have to say. Now, every day, like clockwork, I get my coffee. I get my coffee either at Starbucks or at Dunkin' Donuts. Yesterday, I told you about the incident at Starbucks. And today, we're going to just, continue on just being an entrepreneur. I'm trying to get this camera fixed. Y'all know that I like doing my videos in my car. My pillow back there, it stays in here like for military purposes because, I take it with me when I'm gonna sleep at the base and stuff. But yeah, guys, so I'm military. If y'all haven't figured that out just yet, I am military. And I'm also an online marketer, right? And there are a bunch of people. I'm doing this video today for all the people that hop in my inbox and stuff like that and tell me, yeah, they're ready and whatnot. And today I want to talk about just being an entrepreneur, right? And my first like 6 months of being an entrepreneur. I didn't know what being an online marketer was. I knew about being a business owner in the brick and mortar world, but I never knew what being an online marketer was. And trust me, it's totally different from owning a business. Totally like a brick and mortar business, right? I am one that if there's a problem, I don't really rely on the problem itself. I focus more on getting that issue resolved. In the online world, it's trial and error, right? You try this, it doesn't work, you try something else. That's how it works, right? With that, you'll get frustrated, you'll say, I can't do this anymore. You'll have all those thoughts. I'm telling you, in the first 6 months, after a period of doing it, you still get frustrated, but you keep moving, and you're not discouraged. In the first 6 months, and that was for me, I don't know about anybody else, but in the first 6 months of doing online marketing, I did not make, let me correct myself. I made $18, right? And then I had made another, I think it was $300 or $400, but the person canceled, so I didn't make that. I made that for a day or two, and then the person canceled, and then I'm no longer making it, right? So, so I made $18 in the first 6 months. And I'm like, damn, was this the right decision to make? Because I was fully invested, right? But I knew, this wasn't now. I knew, years ago that I either had to own my own business or something, because I know how it is with me and bullshit. I don't do well with bullshit. And, somebody being the boss of me, they're going to come with the bullshit. You understand? And even if I'm the boss of somebody, there's just going to be bullshit from either end. Whether the top or the bottom, there's always some form of bullshit. And I'm like, if I'm working for you and you come to me with your bullshit, I'm going to call you out on it. I'm going to say, bruh, that's bullshit. Point blank, period. And yeah, I would not have a job for long. So, I was like, no, I have to, find something that won't get me in any trouble like that. Of course, I joined the military because I like the military, actually. I love that part of area that my life is in. I love the military. I don't think I'm ever going to get out unless I'm injured or my time has come and I can't go any further. But as long as I have that strength, I am going to stay in the military. I love my military family. I love what the military offers. And the discipline. I love everything about the military. Now, the military doesn't cover my lifestyle. You know what I mean? It's not enough to cover my lifestyle or how I want to live. I want to travel. I want to travel the world. And the military cannot cover that lifestyle that I want to live. So I had to find something that will cover it. And that's online marketing, which is where it's at. But I have to say this. It is not for everyone. Online marketing, digital marketing, entrepreneurship, it is not for everyone. You have to have a special kind of mental strength to do this. I'm telling you, it is draining. You get frustrated. You try this, it didn't work. You have to try something else. This is what it is. If you're not prepared for this, you are going to quit after you start. If you enjoy your 9 to 5 and you're happy in it, leave it, let it be. If you're just coming on YouTube just to watch videos and listen, no. It's either you're in or you're out. You can't just put your toes in the water and testing entrepreneurship water. No. You ain't gonna last if that's what you're doing. You ain't gonna last. If you're going in, going all the way in. Mentally, physically, emotionally, all the alleys that you can find, you need to put them all in the entrepreneurship water. If you're not all in, you are not going to last because it takes a lot. In the beginning, it takes a whole lot. I can tell you though that after you have passed that hurdle, the beginning hurdle, I can tell you that it gets easier, it gets better, you're having more fun with what you're doing. You're having more sales. So I am no longer at that $18 6 months kind of a marker. You know what I mean? More sales. As a matter of fact, you find new family online. These people, you guys that watch our videos and buy our stuff, you are our family, because before you even buy it, you watch our videos, you get that, you feel that comfort, because there are a lot of marketers out there and we're all making our sales. So we have our own crowd, you know what I mean? So it's who you identify with. So if you are watching like a lot of my videos, you're comfortable with me, right? You trust me. You haven't seen all them other marketers. Probably they have their own crowd. I have mine. But I'm telling you, if you are interested in doing marketing, making money online, the whole 9 yards, you have to go all the way in, or else you're not going to last. That's it, guys. That's all I have to say today. Thank you for hopping on. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you want me to talk about, what you would like to learn. If you want to send me a private message, my link will be below for my Facebook. You can send me a private message there. I read my messages every day. I look over my videos, read my comments. Guys, leave a heart, leave a like, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. Let me know. Let's communicate. Let me hear from you guys what you want me to talk about. And what you want me to talk about. What do you want to hear about? How can I help you? Let me know. My Facebook link is down below. My Instagram link is down below. My website link is down below. Hey, reach out to me. I'm here for you. And remember, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed just yet, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I'm on. Thank you for hopping on, guys.